Hi, I'm Samuel. I'm 16 years old and welcome to my channel. This is my first video, and the first thing I want to say is I'm really sorry for my bad pronunciation. English is not my mother tongue, and I think you can hear it, and I will make a few mistakes. I hope it's fine. A little introduction to me. Like I said, I'm Samuel, I'm 16 years old, and I like to make films, short films, or any kind of video. If it is a music video or a little film or vlog, it doesn't matter. It's really cool, I think. And I'm always learning new things and so on. And I want to learn with you. I want to learn with that channel. And I wanted to try it out because making YouTube videos is not really nothing new for me, but making it consistently and fast to be really efficient is new to me, and also speaking English. But I want to give anyone the opportunity to learn with me, so I'm making my videos in English now. And today we're talking about the Behringer U-phoria UMC404HD. This thing here. I got it, and this is my first video, so obviously this video was not sponsored by anyone. Yeah, and I hope I can give you a little bit of a few details about it. So, first of all, it cost me around 100 bucks. Maybe it's a little bit cheaper in your country, or maybe a little bit more expensive. With 4 inputs, you can go in with XLR or with line in. Then you have gain controls for everything. Then for everything a line and instance, then a pad button. Then you have the main out. You can control the loudness of the main out. Then you can control the mix. The mix says you want to hear the computer audio, only the computer audio, or what's here connected. Then you have a mono or stereo, because you can connect a mono or a stereo microphone to it. Then you have monitor A/B, a headphone jack, and how loud you want to hear it. So that's it. On the back side we have a lot more things. We have power with the USB to the computer, with MIDI in and out, with phantom power. Then we have playback outputs, a few. Then we have left and right line out, main out, and then with XLR. That's especially good for studio speakers. And then we have 4 inserts. Now I have a mixer, a normal sound mixer, and it's older than me, and I'm 16, so not that old. What's good about it? Like I said, everything what we need. It's small. You have 4 inputs, but I must say you can also buy it with only 2 inputs or 1 input. But I need this. I need that inputs and outputs. That's really important for me. As you can see, it's really important for me. So I have this here, and it's perfect for me because I would say a small hobby filmmaker, and I want to improve my audio, and I can use it a long time. I think it's also good for small businesses and if you're a YouTuber or something, you can really use this. Not 4 inputs, but maybe 1 input, So now a little introduction, how to connect this. First of all, connect it to 1 input. Microphone goes in here. Then next thing is you adjust these settings that you hear something. It must not sound perfect. Then you can connect a headphone here, but really important, obviously, power and a connection to the computer. And then you can hear yourself this here when you go to the mix into the middle here. Then you can hear yourself, and then you can start tweaking around things. and then you're actually done with the setup. So, and now how to download the drivers. So I will download now the drivers with you, that you can see really well how you download the drivers and install it. And I also wanted to point out, this thing has 192 kilohertz with 24-bit, and that's really good. More hertz is always good and more bit is always good, but also bigger file sizes. And obviously the microphone must be also good you connect it to. I have now a Rode NT1A, and it's pretty good, I would say. I will show you how to install the drivers. So, now we are in the recording. Now we are on my PC, and you hear me now speaking through my Rode NT1A, connected to the Behringer U-phoria UMC404HD, connected to my computer. And I hope the audio is good. I don't know actually, but it's really a rough. I hit only a few rough settings, and I can adjust more and more. But so first of all, open your favorite web browser. Go to behringer.com, then go down to downloads, then to audio interfaces, USB audio interfaces, then you go down to then you select your model. My model is this. Then you go to software, drivers, USB audio. Then you're searching for your driver. This is my driver, Windows 10, download. So, and then when it's done, then you can open it with .exe file. Here is a PDF file. We need only the application file. So open it. It takes a little bit of time. Next, install it to the standard location. Install, and then you can reboot now or want to manually reboot later. So finish, and now there is a message. I should reboot. Everything should work fine, but do it just in case that you're really safe. So, I hope you enjoyed it, and I mean, it was my first video. I hope it was not that bad. I will see you guys soon. Have a good one.